Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's make this. So go to insert and add a rectangle and onto it add a triangle like this. Now change its color. There you go. Now paste it and select all of those and change their color to orange, and the backward rectangle change its color to blue and give it a preset. There you go. Remove its outline. Now select the triangle and go to insert tab and add these two rectangles. There you go. Put them right here. Give them preset. Add text. Now insert a donut. Add a rectangle right here and you have to merge them. Add a rectangle right here again. Give it preset and merge them and add the shape and put them right here like this onto the first shape. Now you have to merge all of these. Go to preset, change their colors and go to outline and remove the outline. Now go to preset and change their preset as well. Now go to insert tab and add a circle into the middle right here and paste it again and change its color to white. Now select it and give it outline. Now give it color. Now go to insert tab and insert an icon. Put it right here and change its color. There you go. Now you have to select and add the text. Change its color. Select all the shape and merge it. And paste it 3 times and put them side by side. That's the final result. Subscribe.